Hello everyone, welcome back to part 5 of the series of trying to purring the noise with hard mode. And just for fun, today I'm going to be playing as the noise as well. In this Halloween get up. Anyway, let's go. Whoops, no. Nah. I haven't played in a hot minute, so I'm also playing with the key. I'm mostly used. Whatever. Come on. No! Oh. Okay. But whatever. I'm glad it was there. I forgot that fish is there. Just there. This feels like a sardine or something. It's so Winter Nature likes to put sardines on their pizza. If you do, please call help. Come on, Noise, you're fighting yourself. How can you lose against yourself? Nope. Going around. Ah, you smart. Come here. Boom. Triple. Oh, I don't know. Kill, I guess. Oh, there you go. Respawning the bombs. No! No, you ain't gonna touch me. Ray Pepino. Robot. Roberto. Yeah, Roberto, I guess. Wow, free noises on one screen at one point, but all of them are dead now. Except for two. I'm probably gonna die in a matter of minutes or seconds, so stay tuned for that. Nope. Okay. Nope. No. There we go. The pickle! It's always the pickle. It's always the pickle. Sometimes there's stuff, but it's mostly the pickle. In other parts. I've got problems playing the pickle. They mostly give you problems. Oh, I just... Ah! Blow up. There we go. Nope. No! Okay, there we go. Okay. I wasn't paying attention for like a millisecond. If I did for another millisecond more, I would have died. Just like that. And that. Oh my god. Jeez. Myself is gonna kill me or something. Remind myself. No! The stupid idiot cheat. However, the stupid idiot cheese. Nope. You can't attack me because you're dead. Oh my god, the stupid idiot cheese. Just saying his name, but whatever. He's an idiot anyway. Just don't stand there for the entirety of the fight. Now he's dead. Now he's back. Vengeance. That's all he did. My emotion Deo. My god, is that even a relevant meme anymore? Oh, no, no. And you're dead. And I'm dead, wow! Thank god my keyboard's loud. That's because I'm spamming the key really loudly for no good reason, but whatever. Oh. Wait, did you just like lift it and do stop? I was not gonna parry anything when you lick it! Oh, that sounds so wrong. Noise, you are a disgusting thing. Go, no, 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 no. Honestly, I should have done this during like April Fool's or Halloween or something. But it's already been like 6 days too late. Whatever. A couple months too early. Nope. I just don't want to do that. Look, I did the skateboard. We were both the same. But I don't care because I'm partially Pepino. Shut up and put that in your blowhole. No, no, Boom. Bomb defusal tips. Put your tongue out and point your finger up. That's how you defuse a bomb, kids. Don't do that. How the hell are you gonna do that anyway? How the hell are you gonna get near a bomb? Kill him. I'm totally that. No, whatever. Kill him anyway. Oh. No, no! Stupid noise can climb up the wall with his silly little skateboard. Come on, do it. Ah, ah. Wait, oh, I'm not dead. No, no, the banana, the banana. Swedish monkey. What they call him? It sounds weird. I was trying to aim for the pickle. I don't know why. They're both in the same spot, so if I would have done that, I would just get my butt beaten up. I was trying not to like swear in videos because 2 videos got taken down because it's like one or something. Well, whatever. I can get through that. Not 2, I think it was only like 1. Oh, thank you, Pickle. I will die, but I also would have given. Oh, then we're both in the same spot. No. 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 No, I don't want to deal with you right now. Bomb. Phase 2, let's go. And Turkey's running around like crazy. Oh great, 2 enemies that can both kill me in 1 second. Hold on. One where he explodes or the one where he explodes. Oh, it's the one where he's normal. Oh, go! No, no. Okay. I have a feeling I'm probably gonna fail this somehow. I really want that extra life, but it's not gonna do me crap. Because P rank is just getting through the boss without getting a hit. It's not like collecting everything. I don't want to go through it because the entire ground looks like a wasteland of just every single enemy in the game. Snick, please stop. Nope. I literally can't get him because it's like because he instantly goes back to normal after like 2 seconds. What? 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 Okay, you cannot blame me on that one. There were like 5 enemies in one location, and all of that was at the Noise's house. Rather the giant DV radio podcast thing. It's funny, it's just like, yeah, go. It just like looks towards the screen and then explodes. I was like, yeah, I can take this, and it instantly explodes. I don't know why I find that so funny. Wee. Ah! Because he like comes like 52 miles away. Damn, I thought I was gonna jump. Ah! Why am I like losing brain cells today? No, no, I don't want to. I don't think so. Okay, bombs, stay down, just don't carry it. Nope. That's an X key. That's so easy because you literally just run and you just press X repeatedly. Oh, here we go. I was trying to do the tutorial, but the noise was like, haha, I'm over here, idiot. Oh, okay. Your numbered spine out of the way. And double kill. Ah! Honestly, I want to mix hard mode with the randomizer mod to try to P-rank the noise with that. Well, it's just gonna be hell because Nick could just summon anything, even though it was like, you know, like a 10, so baby, like, oh, it's just gonna be random crap and like ruin everything. He's literally Santa but hell mode because he's gonna kill more enemies the tougher he gets. When stuff like this, you can't really kill much enemies unless you just spawn so many of them and then you kill them all and he goes to hell. Activates hell mode more. Also, yeah, snakes just go to hell. No! I hit the sea, I hit the sea, I hit the sea. Come on. I hit the sea, noise on enough. Oh no, I'm an idiot, I'm an idiot, I'm so an idiot. How do I kill you with ducking? Nope, nope, nope. Over here. Honestly, that's funny because it's actually Sage, but yet, at least it wasn't in the Sage demo. It just gives him the Halloween, like, I don't know, dude, here's just an old demo version of yourself. Have fun. We jumped at each other, man. Can we just do some trick shots with noise and noise? Oh, it's gonna go more, but whatever. Okay, this is just gonna be the last, one for the night. Nope, nope, nope. I literally did the thing. I literally did the thing that he does at the beginning of the. Nope. That was so close. If I didn't parry, I would have died. I'll probably get him later on, though. In this series. Yeah. Whatever. I'm over. Thank you for watching. And see you next time. Bye bye.